Hello guys, welcome to Finstock Biztalk. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. And we also talk about courses, online courses, how to get certified, which type of courses you should pursue. We also talk about jobs, job interviews, how to answer job interviews, how to conduct a job interviews, and everything revolving the world of jobs and jobs creation. And there has been this question that many people have been asking about removing background on a photo. Many people don't know how to use Photoshop, and learning how to use Photoshop sometimes can be very hard. And not even everyone has the time to actually learn Photoshop so that they can be able to remove background in a picture. So they have been asking, what is the quickest way to remove a background in a photo? Maybe you want to use the photo in your as a picture, and as a profile pic. Maybe you want to remove the background so that you can update the picture as PNG. Maybe you want to remove the background so that you can maybe update it as a YouTube thumbnail. Because we have been teaching about content creation, how to be a content creator, and removing background and picture is one of the and removing background on a picture is one of the things that maybe you'll come across during your content creation. And there are many ways to remove background in a picture, but which is the easiest one that will not cost you a lot, that you don't need a software, that you don't have to learn how to use a certain software so that you can be able to remove a background. So which one is it? I am going to be taking through how to remove background on a photo without installing a software, without having to learn how to use a certain software. And once, if you have a laptop or if you have a phone, you can do this procedure using your phone or your laptop. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to open your browser. And for me, I use Chrome. I know there are others like Google, Opera, there's Microsoft Bing. So for me, I use Chrome. And what you do is, once you have opened your Chrome or whichever the browser you're using, you will need now to, I'm going to use Finstock University as my user page. You're going to search for drum rolls. You're going to search for remove background, and it will pop as one of the options on your tab. So you're just going to click on remove background, and then you will see this one. Note the image. The first one that will pop is the one we're going to use. So you can note the icon, the way it looks, and then you're going to remove background from the image for free. I'm just going to click on it. The app is called remove.bg. So if on your browser, if you're not finding it, you can actually type remove.bg, and it's going to actually take you to this site. And once you're in this site, you will see that there is a demo of a person having a background, and it is automatically removing the background. And you will also see a place where you can upload an image or drop a file or paste an image or the URL of the images you have. So maybe you have like 5 images, you can, and they are in a folder, you can actually copy the URL of that image, of that folder, and then paste there. So for us, we're going to upload an image. So you click on upload an image, and then you are going to go through your documents, whichever the place you have saved your image. So let's say I want to remove the background of this picture. So I'll just open. Once you open, you see that it will first upload, and then after uploading, just wait. It is now automatically removing the background. So we wait for it to generate. It's going to take some time. So you see, it has removed the background of the picture that we were using. So what you do after that is you download. So if you want, when you want to download HD means high definition. or that it will require you to have a premium account. And because we don't have a premium account, so we're going to download the normal one, which is 612 by 408. So you are going to click on download, and as you know, when we are an image that has a background, the format is JPEG, but once you remove the background, it becomes PNG. Yes, it becomes PNG. So as you can see, it has already downloaded, and there is an option of actually uploading another image, so you can upload other images. Let's say we want to download the to remove the background for that one. So it uploads the original, and then now starts the process of removing background. And as you can see, it has removed the background and only left the people who are dancing. So you find that if you want now to replace your another background, as you can see, there are other designs here, but now if you want to create your design, you have to, now it will ask you to it will tell you it is transferring to Canva. That is when you want to add another background. So it will take you to Canva. And Canva, we'll be talking about Canva. Canva is another photo editing app. And since we don't want to use Canva, that is a topic that we'll discuss on the next show on how to use Canva. Once you want to maybe add other designs, or maybe you want to add text, or maybe you want to add another element in your picture, then that is when you can use Canva. But for now, we're just going to download the picture that we want, the PNG, and once we click and say show in folder, you're going to see that it has downloaded itself in the downloads. Yes. So yeah, so that is it. That is how you remove a background from a picture, and the picture will save itself as a PNG, and you can use this picture without background on any place that you want. Maybe it's on a poster, maybe it's on a flyer, maybe you want to create a whichever the item or element you want to create. You can use this remove.bg to download your pictures that don't have a background after you have successfully removed your background. So that is it, guys. If you want to learn more about Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, we are going to be doing that in our show, and we're going to be teaching you how to do these things. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave it in the comment section and we'll be sure to read it out. And if you're interested in taking a course in design, graphic design, or Photoshop, or Illustrator, or video editing, you can enroll at Finstock University College. It's an online college that offers premium courses, short courses, diplomas, certificates, and degrees at a very affordable rate. And you can check them out at www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can call a customer care at 0703-313-722, or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time we upload a new video, you can be notified. Until next time, goodbye.